Hi, hello, vanakkam and welcome to Sound the Talks. In today's video, we are going to look into top 4 series you must watch in order to improve your English knowledge and English vocabulary. Let's jump right away into the list. The first series that we have today is The Big Bang Theory. This series is about a story of group of nerdy friends who does a lot of science experiments and research. So they basically stay in a university campus, and if you want to understand how university campus works and how people communicate in the campus, you can watch the series to understand that. Not only that, the series is really hilarious. You can find a lot of hilarious scenes. It's a very beautifully scripted story also. Not only that, if you want to understand certain science words, this series is a must watch. The second series that we have for today is Gossip Girl. This is based on a narrative story. So there is a narrator who comes in first scene and also in the last scene and narrates the whole story. All the dialogues in the series are written in casual and cool American English. So if you want to understand that, this is a must-watch series. The next series that we have for today is The Office. This is a mockumentary sitcom. Mockumentary means a mocking documentary or a parody of a documentary. They talk a variety of topics in this series, from rabbits to beet farms. Oh my god, there are so many topics. If you want to understand the business lingo, this is a must-watch series. The next series that we have for today is The Middle. This is a beautiful series of an American middle-class family who try to make both ends meet. It has a family of a mother, father and 3 kids. Beautifully scripted story with a lot of hilarious scenes. This series can prove to be really heartwarming if you see it. If you just connect with the family, it feels so good to see the series. This is a must-watch series to improve your English knowledge. So at the end of 30 days, we are going to have a simple quiz where I'll come and ask questions. So whoever is answering correct answers for all these questions will get a special prize from Sound the Talks. I'm not going to reveal it now. So at the end of the 30-day challenge, we are going to have a quiz. So be ready. All the questions of the quiz will be asked from the videos that was put on the past 30 days. And do watch Sound the Talks, do support us. And thanks for watching today's video. And these are all the sitcoms and series that I had for you today. So if you have any recommendation for me, don't forget to comment that in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you all in an exciting video tomorrow. Bye.